Hello friends, welcome to our channel Decoder Lakshay, and today we are going to learn about nested loops in Python. So let's get started. First of all, let us see what did we learn in our previous video. So we learned about a while loop, what is a while loop, what is a break, and what is a continue. Okay. So now, have you ever noticed how a queue works in a supermarket? So observe this picture carefully. Here this person is standing in front of this queue, and he has so many items in this shopping basket, right? So this person is scanning every item that is in this shopping basket one by one, right? So here two loops are working together. One is this loop and second is this loop, because this person will repeat the same process with every person that is in this queue, right? So first it is checking all the items that is in my shopping basket, and it is printing the total bill, right? And it will repeat the same process with this person also, and the same process with this person also, and again with this person also, right? So what is a nested loop? A nested loop is a loop inside loop. You can see this is the outer loop here and this is the inner loop. So in a nested loop, for this loop will run one time, and then this loop will run many times, then this loop again run one time, then this inner loop will run many times. So this is called a nested loop. Here this inner loop is a nested loop. So have you ever seen a multiplication matrix? Multiplication matrix is like this. So we can also make our own multiplication matrix using Python. Okay, so now we will make our own multiplication matrix using Python. So first you will print multiplication matrix, right? Multiplication matrix. Okay, and now we will use a for loop for I in range 1 to 11. So here starting point is 1 and stopping point is 11. Okay, and this colon is mandatory. Now we will use one more for loop here for j in range 1 to 11, right? So this is the nested loop. This it's a nested for loop. Okay, so now we have to print colon 3 in these curly brackets, and then double quotes closed, and then dot format I into j. So this dot format is used to for handling complex string formulas in Python more efficiently. Okay, and we will learn what is this colon 3 in our upcoming videos. I will make a separate video for that. Okay, now comma n is equals to this. If we will not use this end, then it will print the whole multiplication matrix in a single line. Okay, now print this. Okay, now I will save it, and now I will run it. So this is a multiplication matrix 1 2 3 4, this whole. Okay, so we made this multiplication matrix using this program for I in range this. You can see this program. Okay, this is a program for printing this multiplication matrix. So now we are going to do an activity. So write a code to simulate the queue in supermarkets, keeping in mind social distancing norms and space constraints. Tokens will be given to persons according to the following pattern. Okay, so now we have to print this pattern using nested loop. Okay, so we will make a new file here, and then we will use a for loop for I in range 1 to 6. So I am writing this for loop because this is printing this 5 times and this 5 times, right? So here we have to use two for loops. Now I'm going to use a second for loop for j in range 1 to 6. 1 to I plus 1 and then 1 to 11. Okay. Now I will print str j, then this, and then end. Now print. So I'm writing this first loop so that I can print this out of 1 1 1 1 1. Okay, and I'm writing this second for loop to print like this: 1, then 1 2, then 1 2 3, then 1 2 3 4, then 1 2 3 4 5. Okay. Now I am giving a command to my computer that print j in string format. It will convert the j into string, and then it will print a space, and then it will end. Okay, and now this empty print statement in this outer loop. Okay, now I will save it, and now I will run it. See, 1, then 1 2, then 1 2 3, and then 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, now here, now we have another option for implementing the queue can be 1 2 3 4 5, then 1 2 3 4, then 1 2 3, then 1 2, and then 1. We have to print like this. Okay, so to print like this, we will change the values 5 to 0 and then minus 1. Okay, here it will be same. Now save and now run. See, 1 2 3 4 5, then 1 2 3 4, then 1 2 3, and then 1 2, and then 1. Okay, so it is printing like this only, so it is also working. Now we have to make Python program to simulate supermarket billing process. So I am making a new file for that. Now I will write a while loop while we have to simulate this process. Okay, using Python. So first I will use while loop while true, then colon, and now name is equals to input, then name is equals to this. So I am taking an input from the user for his name. Okay, for his or her name. Now total is equals to 0. I have taken a variable and the value of this variable is 0. Now while true, cost is equals to float, input cost is equals to this. Okay, so I'm taking one more input from the user and I will convert it into float. Float means I will convert it into decimal value. Okay, now qty, I am taking one more input from the user for the quantity. Okay, qty is the short form of quantity. Now total is equals to total plus cost into quantity. Okay, so here why are we using this total is equals to total plus cost into quantity? So we are using this so that we can get the total amount to be paid, right? So we will first it will multiply cost with quantity and then it will plus it with 0 because the value of total is 0. Okay, and now I will write ABC is equals to input. Do you want to add more items? Y, Y, and N. So here I am taking an variable naming ABC and I am taking input. Do you want to add more items? Y, N or N. So if the person will write Y, capital Y or small y, then this loop will run again. And if the person will write this capital N or the small n, then the loop will stop. Okay, so now I'm taking condition if ABC is equals to n or ABC is equals to small n, then break. Okay, print this for 40 times and then print name is equals to name. So I'm writing this line so that my computer will print this dash 40 times. Okay, into 40. Now print amount payable is equals to total, print start happy shopping. Now cost is equals to input. Do you have more customers in the line? Y, and N. I'm taking one more input for the customers. If cost is equals to n or cost is equals to small n, then break. Okay, now I will save it and now I will run it. Wait a minute, let me cancel this. Now run. So it is asking my name. So my name is Lakshya. Cost. So it is asking for the cost of the item I am purchasing. So the cost of that item, suppose it is 200. Quantity 2. Do you want to add more items? Yes. Cost is 450. 3. Okay. Now, do you want to add more items? No, I don't want to add more items. Now, name is equals to Lakshya. Amount payable is equals to 1750.0. Now, happy shopping. Do you have more customers in the line? So yes, I have more customers in the line. Name is ABC. Cost is 1234.67. Now, quantity is 2. Do you want to add more items? Yes. Cost is 789.985. Now enter. Now quantity is 7. Now do you want to add more items? No. Now name is equals to ABC. Amount payable is this. Happy shopping. And then do you have more customers in the line? Now no. So it breaks the loop. So now homework time. So print the pattern. You have to print the pattern 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. And your second homework is write a Python program to get marks of 5 subjects from 30 students and print the average mark for each of them. Okay, so I will give the solution for this in my next video. So I hope that you got to learn something new today. Please like my video, please subscribe to my channel, and if you want to learn Python in Hindi, then I have a separate channel for that. The name of the channel is the Coder Lakshya Hindi. So we will meet in the next video. Till then, thanks for watching.